SUI has a massive unlock coming here at the first of the year, January 1st, 2025. $300 million worth of SUI unlocked. What does that mean for the price? Are we taking this and doing something with this information? What's my plan with SUI? How do we go about things from here? Well, you guys came to the right video. My name is Zach. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, well, I'm glad you found me. Hit the like button, subscribe so you don't miss out on any other content. We were extremely early to SUI, however you want to pronounce it. Doesn't matter if it makes you money. But SUI has been one of the best investments we have made in 2024. We saw the writing on the wall very early on. The early kind of thesis and theme was that SUI's blockchain is like what Solana was when it first came to market. And we all know that Solana did a 100x from the bottom in the previous cycle. Solana then went all the way back down in the bear market and came all the way back up already and is heating up, here in 2024. But SUI's blockchain has a lot to like about it. They are getting massive partnerships with real-world asset tokenization companies. They're going heavy into gaming. This new layer 1 blockchain is now ranked number 15 in the world, sitting at $12.32 billion. And here this year, up nearly 400%. That's the yearly chart. There's your all chart right there. We were accumulating SUI heavily here earlier this year, back in the summer months, way down below $1.60, 70 cents is where we started to really accumulate after the first big drawdown. After it ran up to or did run up to like $2 in March of 2024. We were even looking at it in January 2024. We were looking at it, right at the turn of the year, started accumulating it all under $1. And we have done extremely well with SUI. Now, the big question is, what about this unlock that's coming? SUI Network to unlock 300 million of SUI on January 1st, 2025. So what's next? What can we expect here? So again, $300 million worth of its native token unlocked on January 1st. This is part of SUI Tokenomics and monthly unlock schedules that inflate SUI's circulating supply and dilutes investors' holdings. Finbold has been monitoring and reporting SUI cliff unlocks according to data from Tokenomics. For example, December 1st saw SUI's largest unlock, to date. And I'm going to tell you why this is very important that we look at this. They had a huge unlock December 1st, 224 million. Worth of 64 million tokens. Now, this will be even bigger at 300 million. But after December 1st, did it affect the price? Did it drastically impact the price of SUI? Not at all. Price went up. We had an unlock. Yes, we had a little bit of a sell-off after the unlock. So here's your unlock on the first, $3.46. We came back down to like $3.20. So we had a little bit of a sell-off. That's that red you see on the chart. And then look what's happened since then. We have had dramatic pullbacks and then burst for all-time high. Pullback, burst for all-time high here in the last month. And I suspect we're going to see something very similar. Now, there's more insight here that I want to give you guys, and I want to tell you more about where I think SUI can go in the overall run here in 2025 and what I'm expecting. Of course, it's speculation. Like, we don't have a crystal ball or anything. None of this is financial advice. Just giving you guys my best guesses based on, what some other assets have done. So again, we're getting ready to have a massive unlock again. This will artificially increase SUI circulating supply and market cap by 2.19% after the token unlock. There are still 1.85 billion SUI locked invested contracts with a scheduled unlock. Over 5.22 billion of locked SUI tokens are not yet scheduled, classified as TBT locked by Tokenomics. Nearly 600 million of token unlocks next week. We've got SUI, Optimism, and IMX all unlocking. So if you hold any of these assets, keep in mind there could be some short-term volatility if you're looking to trade the markets or even maybe buy a little bit of a dip. SUI Tokenomics and market effects, though. Check this out. SUI Series A and B investors receive the most, getting over 19 million SUI each for 61% of its total. Miston Labs gets the remaining 25 million, reserving 12.63 million for the community, 10 million for early contributors, and 2 million for its treasury. So far, the SUI network has already unlocked. The network has already unlocked 29% of its maximum cap supply of 10 billion SUI. So it's already been deemed the Solana killer or Solana type crypto. It has a fully diluted value of 42.7 billion. This is similar value to Circle's USDC circulating market cap by press time, which is pretty insane in terms of when we look at that FDV, fully diluted value. Each time the network unlocks more tokens, it increases the potential selling pressure and artificially inflates the market cap. And again, we just saw this happen. It took a little bit of a dip, nothing crazy, but an increasing supply. It did that in December. An increasing supply requires a similar or better increased demand to sustain its prices according to the law of economics. This is why SUI's largest cliff unlock to date represents a first moment threat to SUI investors, diluting their holdings value. Furthermore, SUI has a unique tokenomics, which allows Miston Labs and Series AB investors to stake their locked tokens. These positions generate asymmetric liquid rewards against other staking investors, allowing these entities to sell these rewards or compound their staking positions over time. So just because these tokens become unlocked doesn't mean people are going to sell, right? Some of them will, right? Because they've been waiting and price has gone up. They've been waiting as private investors, and some of them will take some profits. Not all, and they're not all going to sell all their tokens either, right? So if we take a look at the supply of SUI right now, total supply of 10 billion, circulating is only about 3 billion. So 70% are still locked up. Now, this is one thing we look at, the amount of coins that are circulating in the market and are in public hands, only about 30% right now. Okay, so slowly but surely we'll get that number up. And again, they do monthly unlocks. So as we roll into 2025, we're going to have way more of the circulating supply out there. This will bode well for SUI in the years to come. The fact is, the price has done pretty well, even despite having a low circulating supply compared to the total supply. But this should get better and better over time. And again, these monthly unlocks definitely help fast track this process for SUI. Now, where could we go? I still am very, very excited about where we could go with SUI. You know, if we go over to the coin perspective and start playing some hypotheticals a little bit, because I know a lot of people like to do this, and we start to say, okay, could SUI 5x from here? That would get us to 21 bucks. $61.6 billion market cap, 400% upside from here. I think this is a relatively solid base case scenario, in my opinion, for SUI, is a 5x from here, getting to $20. $20 per SUI. And if this happens, by the way, there are meme coins on SUI. My favorite meme coin on SUI is Lofi, guys. Lofi right now sitting at $135 million market cap. It's been as high as $250 million. Full disclosure, this is a sponsored section of this video. I am working with the Lofi team to help promote their project, to help make Lofi become the top meme coin on the hottest blockchain right now, which is SUI. And when we look at SUI, you know, overall, I mean, you've got a couple cryptos here at the top. If we sort by market cap, you know, you've got a couple up here that are pretty interesting, but nothing really comes close in market cap to SUI or to Lofi when it comes to the meme coin sector. Okay, we've got a lot of other ones sitting here, but Lofi is above Hippo, above Pookie, Axel. It is continuing to impress, guys. Sitting at $135 million market cap right now, looks really, really strong. And as SUI goes higher, there's going to be a lot of meme coin opportunities. Lofi's my big play. Got in at 20 mil before, you know, the team reached out and asked me to work with them long term. And so happy they did, because it made a lot of sense. I was already getting into the SUI wallet and SUI meme coins. I love this ecosystem. You know, yes, there are some things that aren't perfect, like the low circulating supply, but people love to go where the money's flowing. And right now the money's flowing in SUI, and there's a lot of substance behind this. We're seeing daily transaction volume go through the roof on SUI. We're seeing TVL continue to increase, developer activity continuing to increase. And I think SUI has a really, really bright future still from these levels. So again, base case scenario for me is around $20. If we were to 10x from here, you're talking about a $42 SUI, which is insane. $123 billion market cap. Is it out of the realm of possibilities? I don't want to say it can't happen. I mean, we just don't know the amount of liquidity and market, market participation that's going to come into the market. It's hard to, forecast that. Right. But as we start to see retail come back and, the altcoin season really take off, we're going to see where money starts to flow. And I do think they're going to chase some of these new layer ones. There's none better right now than SUI in terms of its performance thus far in this bull run. So that's what we've got, guys. Let me know your thoughts on this down below. Covered a lot in the video. Make sure you guys do subscribe as well, and we will see you guys in the next video.